This is third time I come to our school in Tashi, Getsen. This building we started to February, February, and there has five rooms, and most this building is helping from nomad people, and I spent a few monies, and of course these all are transit from the Xingning, about 4 or 3 days journey, and Tashi Getsen actually has very good environment because there has river, and even there has a very nice mountain, and there has one small monastery. This is very historically in Barumkaju, especially Chuji Sonam Zambo, who are born in here. And last time I came here, I especially visit to the Chuji Sonam Zambo birthplace. And even there has Chuji Sonam Zambo's cave. Even Chuji Sonam Zambo spent this place 18 years. After that, Chuji Sonam Zambo went to the another place. Is a main Jobda monastery, and Tashi Getsen actually here has 500 population and 100 family, and our school is started to here about 9 months, and we have moment we had has 30 students, most orphanage, and then another is poor family. The family condition is very bad. Especially today I visit one family. This family is really very hard to live because her there has 2 children. Her father is live 5 years ago, and then in home there has grandmother and then 2 children's mother. So they want children sent to here, but one children is still very young, so very difficult to take care. And then so this time I really very opportunity to visit here, and then can explain more about the condition our school, and then I can understand more about how to join this project, and how about the children's education. Even our teacher actually very difficult to hear because everybody knows the Mindo is actually not born here. She's from Taiwan, but now the weather is really very cold, minus 20 to up to the 40 in the winter time. But we are still very strong. Even teacher Mindo is very hard to try to give them to the education. But still, I came here really. I deeply understand the the children's problem. Because I cannot fix the kitchen, the cooker, and the teacher. I cannot fix, but I wish can in the future can fix the teacher, fix the cooker. So right now the children are really very difficult to living here because some are very young, only are 5 years old, and then even they are in the night, they say, oh, I can hear goose sound, I can hear this and that, and at midnight they are crying, and the weather condition very hot, so they are still really very difficult. But I'm really appreciate all the international all the friends who are join this project. It is really valuable. If you are interested, I wish you can more support to us. Thank you very much.